Hello traders, this is 4X Nelson and I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is February the 12th and I'm using my new 4X-SCALPER trading system. This system has the 4X-SCALPER, that's this moving average that changes from red to blue. Also has the super signal arrows right here. Now you will get an audio sound and this pop-up box suggesting to buy and or sell. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments and of course taking a look at my daily trade plan. And after I decide I want to be buying and or selling, I will manually put in this white arrow. Now here is my daily trade plan. It's running in real time. The time happens to be at 10:30 approximately. So the market has shifted. So that's why we see a lot of white in here, either waiting for clear direction, not enough strength. But the market is moving and my daily trade plan analyzes from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes. And within the comments here, it makes suggestions. Look for bullish trades, bearish trades, and some will even be preferred. Now, if you're trading without any kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's one good reason why you are still struggling. Not only do you have to get some kind of a daily trade plan, but then you have to be able to understand the daily trade plan and how the daily trade plan works, and how you can apply it to your trading every day. Now, if you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. Okay, now let's run a check on these trades. I did some Forex pairs. As usual, I do my futures, the indexes, as those are the ones that really pay out, especially this NASDAQ. So on this pound CAD, I sold it. Let's drag and drop this up. First of all, see where I got in at. Okay, let's drag and drop this up and see where I got in at. So I wanted to be selling it, everything lining up, top and bottom. This is where I got in, this is where I closed out. I'm glad I'm out because the market's doing a reversal. Arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal. So I got in at this point and I closed out at this point, locking in, looks like 29 pips. And that paid out $209. Okay, moving on to the next trade. Euro dollar. Let's run a check on that. So we're going to drag and drop this up. See where I got in at. Another one I wanted to be selling from the daily trade plan. The white arrow, red arrows, red scalper. Everything top and bottom looking perfect for going down. So down it went. And it bottomed out at 54. Now the euro dollar does pay $10 for each pip because the USD is on the right hand side. Looking at the money, well, this should be 25, and there's the 25 pips paying out $250. Okay, moving on to the next trade, the S&P 500. This one's looking pretty good. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Now when I was trading this, I was just trading the pullback, knowing that it can go back to the goal line. But when I closed out all the trades, I knew I was well over 200 pips and or ticks. So I just was looking for a small move, but it basically almost hit the goal line. So trading the pullback, I got in at this cursor. And the calculator, since it pays $5 for each tick, well, easy to see that this should be 60 ticks. So let's go and look for that 60. There it is right there, 68 ticks paying out $300. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is pound dollar. Pound dollar the same as the euro dollar. USD's on the right hand side. So easy to see, because it pays $10 for each pip, should be 44. So let's just drag and drop this up and see where I got in at. Arrow from the daily trade plan, the scalper, everything down at the bottom was perfect. I knew it was going to go, and away it went. All the way to the bottom is 68, and actually I closed it out here just being happy. There it is right there, 44. Pips paying out $440. Okay, let's move on to the next trade. As you can see, the last two paid the most. Gold, which pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, well, easy to see this should be 92. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. So I wanted to be buying it. Market did one more cycle, but that's okay. I knew eventually it was going to go up. So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out up here. There's the 92 ticks, and I was very happy with the 92 ticks, and that paid out $920. Okay, let's move on to the last trade, the NASDAQ. Now the NASDAQ pays $20 for each tick. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. So I waited until after there was some strong news. I waited till after this, and then I saw it was going up, and I was pretty sure it was going to go back up and hit the goal line, but I closed it out at this point just being happy. And of course, what I did was I took the money, divided by 20. Calculator says it's approximately 62. So got in at this cursor, close it out here. That's what I'm looking for, is 62. There it is right there. You remove the last two digits. So it's 62 ticks paying out $1,236. So another great day of trading using my 4X-SCALPER. I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips and or ticks. The grand total came to 312. And all of those pips and ticks paid out $3,355. So if your system's not producing like my 4X-SCALPER, well, I recommend you get your hands on it. Don't forget about the daily trade plan. And also, I forgot to mention about my Fib Master tool. Now, if you want to know anything about those packages, well, all you have to do is look right below this video, and you'll get a lot of information. And I do have 4 packages below this video, and have a special offer, as I do charge $250 for each package, that if you buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 for free. So if you have any questions or you want to buy anything, quite simple. You'll see in the description my contact information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. I do answer the phone, unless I'm busy, of course. And a word of advice is, if you're going to buy anything from anybody, make sure you can get in contact with the person who's selling, because I know you will have questions regarding the trading systems, and it's very important that you get some level of support, or else more than likely you still will fail at trading. And that's one thing I offer. Not only do I sell the systems and different packages, but I also offer support on everything I sell. So if you have questions, well, I like to answer all the questions on Skype. So I made a link, Skype link invite. All you got to do is click on it, and then through Skype, should be able to answer most of your questions. And of course, you can also send me an email. But I really do prefer Skype. So, just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.